We got along just fine, but deep inside I know there is more. Right next to you, I know you're the right one. Can't fight this feeling, I'm taking chances now. In my heart I feel that this is something real. I don't wanna let this moment go.
And now, congrats guys sa ulog sa imong kasal. Unta, nindot ang iyong dagan sa imong future sa imong husband. Congrats dahil ninyo, Nals.
Finally, I wish you so congratulations on your wedding day, and I'm so happy for you both. Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness together, and God bless to a beautiful future together with your children. Okay, wish you see you soon. Bye-bye.
Kanang Nals, so first of all, kanang congratulations sa imong kasal. Hinaot nga success ang yung future duha, and also nga kanang safe and healthy yung living all the way through. And again, congratulations, and hopefully mo makakugos me, and yeah, amping mga duha or kamatanan sa family. Congrats again.
Congrats sa imong wedding day, kay hapit naman juga mo kuan sa imong kanang pagkadaga. Salamat sa imong pagtig-amiga sa akong anak.
Hi, Nels. I know by now nag-wonder na ka if who am I? Since I was asked to send a short video for you, nga padulong na ako mag-sleep, so here I am using a TikTok video filter. Oh my god. Anyway, ang ako alang yung maingon is I was so shocked nga nakibaw ko nga kaslanon na kan. I am even invited as your ninang. Ninang na akong face. Oy, Diyos ko Lord. Anyway, thank you so much for the invitation, and then na-shock lang jud ko nga, oh my god, kaslanon na ka kay during our time together, I saw you as person nga kanang study lang. Kanang person nga ganahan magsigig study kay gusto madato umurag ingana. Anyway, naa naman jud ka dinha nga portion, but na-shock lang jud ko nga it's very soon kay I was expecting wala kay love life. So congratulations, and I wish you a happy married life. May the God bless you and your husband to be. Hope that and every day you and your partner will face life together forever. Congratulations, Annalie, and I'll see you soon.
Hello, Nas! Congrats sa imong future nga kasal. At last, graduate na gid ka sa imong pagka-single life. Congratulations to Akin nga nakit-an kaniya, and best wishes nimo og sa inyong future. Bye-bye! Love you!
Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning kay buntag man ko nag-film lain sa kay bringon ko good night bitaw. Guys, thank you so much first of all kay Alma na ni-reach out sa kuha kay iya jud kong gi-include unsa man ni bitaw. Iya jud kong gi-appeal sa special event ni Monals sa imuhang life. Grabe ko ka thankful na inyo akong nahinumduman nga for once sa imuhang life na o sa life sa itong mga friends diha nga we get to spend time together, pero I know it was short but I'm really grateful gihapon. congratulations, Niles. Congrats for this life-changing event. Yun ba siya? Life-changing event ni siya kay it takes courage to commit to such promise of a lifetime. And I wanna congratulate you for siguro naanam sa kita sa saktong edad, pero I wanna congratulate you despite the atong hardship sa life. Inig uli ato sa balay, at least you have someone now that would celebrate together your heartbreak sa work, sa success sa work, sa family, friends. At least this time na kay kaulian, you have someone that's gonna face all the problems and all the happiness together. Gosh, di ko ka-imagine. Grabe. Kanang sa karon lang nga span from June to July. Grabe atong mga classmates dahil. Grabe mo. Pero I'm really happy for all of you. You really deserve happiness, especially ikaw na. I really wanna thank you. I don't have the moment to say thank you. Katong time that we were together, tong OJT moments na to. I'm really grateful ato nga time, labi na katong panahon nga, you know na kapano mo guys, to nag-vlog mini, you know, thankful kay you made those moments bearable. And usasan mo sa hinungdan nga nung survive ko ato nga breakup because naamo ato nga time. And now please lang, as years go by, ayaw wag tanga, or I hope your smile that I have seen since day one sa atong college years, I hope your very, very big and shining smile dili siya mawala, because that's one of your greatest personalities. Ikaw ang light up sa room, imuhang smile, imong laughter, imong sweetness. Grabe ka impactful. And I do wish that continuous ang imong happiness, blessings in life. Isa na naman pong Pinay ang naka-out. Charas. Pero bitaw. I'm really happy, and but I do hope na magkita rin niyo soon. And wala ka tayo masulti, pero gimingaw na ko ninyo guys. Katotong sabot nga magkita ta ninyo, ang ending kay wala na. Minyo na lang sa ditanan, di gihapon namang pundo. Kaya bitaw ang ako lang ang important lang gyud nga kanang wish para sa tanan, especially Niles and future husband, is good health always, more abundance in life, and of course na good luck or God bless on your journey as a wife. And produce na dayon og mga pang Miss Universe nga beauty. Ha, dapat jud ato jud irampa ng itong mga anak po ko, labi ng mga half pero bitaw congrats once again. Shit, ambot lang yun, basta apas lang ko ka ng mga siguro mga 10 years from now pod ko. Pero, ito guys. Magkita tayo niyo soon, and congrats, bitch!
To Joaquin and Annalie, congratulations to your wedding. Wishing you a good relationship, good health always, and prosperity. Wishing you that God will bless your marriage always, and congratulations again.
Hi Niles, and also to your future to be husband. I would like to congratulate both of you for your upcoming wedding, and I am so excited to celebrate it with you guys. And I wish you all the best, all the happiness as you journey through life together with your husband. Once again, congratulations to both of you.
Ay, pangit. I miss you na. First of all, congratulations sa imong wedding, upcoming wedding. I'm always happy for you. Best wishes on your married life. And I love you always. See you. Puhon.
Ate Nels and Kuya Joaquin, congratulations. Dapat inig-uli ni mo po diri Di na ka mo balibad og shot sa salik.
Hi Gang and Joaquin, congrats! Hi Sisi! How are you? How's everything? How's life? I know you're very, very happy right now. I'm very happy too. So, your friend na si Alma nag-message ako about sa ilang plan daw sa imong surprise bridal shower. So, nag-asya about sa video message. So, dili ko pan ani mga message, but I try my best for you. So, gisulat na nako na para madali. So, congratulations Sisi. Best wishes on your special day. I'm so happy for you. Time flies so fast and you're about to getting married. So, nagdagko man ta na layo ka sa mua. But look at you now. You are grow up strong and independent woman. So, wala mami sa imuhang tapad. But, look at you. You do it great. So, very happy. It's a joy to celebrate with you as you're beginning on your journey together. Wishing you all love and happiness in the world as you start your new chapters of a life as a married woman. Congratulations once again and see you at your wedding. Bye bye.